Hey folks, quite often I hear the concept that the human brain works like the artificial intelligence, but it's not true. Long time ago we copied the model of the neurons and build the neural networks, but on practical nowadays we don't have the perceptrons, and we couldn't say that machine learning actually used the something like our brain. So it's more the differential equations and all these things. But what make us similar to the LLM is the predictive mechanism. So we pose the predictive machines. So the LLM tries to predict the next tokens, and our brain actually works around the predictions. So we really huge prediction machine. So our brain try to estimate, for example, the necessary resources to react on a environment and prepare us to survive. And actually, a lot of our mental problems appear when we not meet the predictions. And actually, our brain react more on the things that not going according to the prediction. So if environment is not changing, we get bored. But what's make us extremely different from LLMs, that the LLM uh, um, quite static, right? So you have the learning phase, and after that it's stay the same. And then we could tweak a bit with the context, with the RAG, inject a bit information to the prompt, but in general, you always talk with the same person that have no ability to learn anymore. And when we're talking about human machines, we quite complex predictive mechanism, because first of all, we really take the signals outside of the world, but we also take the signals in our internal thought. Yeah, then we observe, then we have the feedback loop, that we react, what happens with our actions and all of the things. And the trick is that our prediction mechanism control the output. Our prediction mechanism depends on the output, but our prediction mechanism even change the input. So we really influence the input in information interpretation with our prediction and internal world. And what we really need to build for the artificial intelligence agents is this big prediction machine that able to maintain the internal dialogue, filter and correct the input information based on our internal world, and create the feedback loops. And then we will make the machines more similar to humans. And so it's true, we all based on the predictions, and it's a lot of interesting biological side effects when we meet the prediction or when we haven't meet them. But the agents needs to have the ability to learn on fly, not just on the learning phase. So see you next time. Choose.